Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping Chrome so updates can be applied cleanly. Close the window, then open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and kill Chrome. EXE or Google Chrome Helper. Once done, make sure you have a recent bookmarks backup or sync enabled. This avoids data loss if you reinstall. Also verify you have administrative rights and at least 20% free disk space. Lacking rights or space often blocks updates. After these prerequisites are done, you'll fetch logs and update components in the next step. Now diagnose why Chrome update fails by checking internal pages and system logs. First, go to Chrome//components and hit check for update on each relevant component. Note any error codes. Then inspect Chrome//policy and Chrome//version to see if enterprise policies or odd install paths are preventing updates. Next, open Event Viewer on Windows or Console on Mac OS and filter for Google Update or Keystone messages to capture precise error text. Make note of codes and messages so you can pick the correct fix in the final step. Fix the issue by running the platform-specific updater or repair tool. On Windows, run the Google Update executable as admin or reinstall Chrome using the offline installer. And on Mac OS, run Keystone Repair or Reinstall. If diagnostics showed policies or registry keys blocking updates, remove or correct them carefully, and then restart the system. After reboot, open Chrome and check Chrome//components and Chrome//version to confirm the new version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.